Hello guys. As the situation around P. Diddy keeps getting worse, Jay-Z, also accused of similar accusations, is not backing down. After Jay-Z continues to pressure the attorneys and accuser in his case, which led to the accuser to admit she made mistakes but stands by the allegations she made. The woman who accuses Jay-Z and Diddy of a horrific rape when she was just 13 years old, is standing firm in her allegations, despite admitting to having made some mistakes in recalling the details of that fateful night. In a lawsuit filed on December 8, she claims that the rappers assaulted her in 2000. The woman, proceeding under the name Jane Doe and represented by attorney Tony Busby, told NBC News on December 13 that while there are inconsistencies in her account, this does not diminish the truth of her allegations. The lawsuit was originally filed in New York City on October 20, and she alleges that she was assaulted after an MTV Video Music Awards after party in 2000. Jay-Z and his attorney have issued a statement claiming that the accusations stem from a desperate pursuit of money and fame. The tension surrounding this case is rising as the truth slowly comes to light. There is a lawsuit where two celebrities are redacted, and only Combs is listed as a defendant. An amended complaint was filed on December 8 to include Jay-Z, whose real name is Sean Carter. According to NBC News, Doe's story has inconsistencies, such as her claim that her father picked her up after the alleged sexual assault, which he does not remember. She also stated she spoke to Benji Madden at the after-party, but he claims he was not in New York at that time. Additionally, photos from the event show Carter and Combs in different locations, but their whereabouts throughout the evening are unknown. The now 38-year-old woman told NBC News that people should advocate for themselves and hopes to inspire others to come forward as she did. Doe recounted that she was living in New York in the year 2000, and one night, she snuck out of her house. Her friend drove her to Radio City Music Hall, but she didn't have a ticket to get in. While she was there, she started talking to limo drivers about the possibility of going to an after-party. One of the drivers, who claimed to work for Diddy, told her that she was the right person for what Diddy was looking for. The driver took her to the after-party, where she signed a document without reading it. This was an important step, as she would later realize that she didn't fully understand what she was agreeing to. After accepting a drink from a waitress, she began to feel strange and looked for a place to lie down. She found an empty room, and soon after, Combs, Carter, and an unidentified woman entered. This situation would have a significant impact on her life, and she felt unsafe in that environment. Both Combs and Carter raped her, she alleged. Jay-Z comes over, holds me down. I start trying to push away. He puts his hand over my mouth, tells me to stop it, to cut the S, and then he pays me like he had me overpowered. Doe explained that after the incident, she ran to a gas station. She was upset, and the person at the gas station noticed her distress and allowed her to use the phone. She called her father because he was the only one she trusted at that moment. She told him she had made a mistake and needed a ride home. They drove home in silence, and he didn't ask her what had happened or what she had done. Doe mentioned that she never reported the alleged assault. She felt that even if someone found out, no one would believe her, as it would be her word against that of two celebrities. Carter issued a statement saying that the report proves the lawyer Busby filed a false complaint against him in pursuit of money and fame. He claimed that the incident did not happen, yet the lawyer continued to spread this false story in the media. Carter stated, "True justice is coming. We fight from victory, not for victory." This was over before it began. This 1-800 lawyer doesn't realize it yet, but soon. Carter's lawyer, Alex Spiro, made a statement saying, "It is shocking that a lawyer would file such a serious complaint without proper investigation and then worsen the situation by spreading this false story in the media. We are asking the court to dismiss this frivolous case today and will address the issue of additional discipline for Mr. Busby and all the lawyers involved in filing the complaint." Tony Busby, the attorney for Doe and other victims alleging against Diddy, mentioned that her case was referred to his firm. He stated, "Our client remains fiercely adamant that what she has stated is true, to the best of her memory. We will continue to vet her claims and collect corroborating data to the extent it exists. Because we have interrogated her intensely, she has even agreed to submit to a polygraph. I've never had a client suggest that before. He continued, we always do our best to vet each claim made, just as we did in this case. This has been extremely distressing for her, to the point she has experienced seizures and had to seek medical treatment due to the stress. That was it for today, guys. What do you think happened? Did he do it? Slowly but surely the truth will come to light. If you like our content, please leave a like and subscribe. Till next time.